Here's how to properly measure your window before buying your curtain. First, syempre, kailangan yung malaman yung window width ninyo. And then, for this setup, sample nito is 70 inches window width. And then, we highly recommend na mag-add ng minimum na 10 inches for both side, kanan at kaliwa, para maiwasan yung exposure ng sunlight. But, for this setup, we added 20 inches for both side para mas malawak yung area ng curtain. And dito sa part naman na to, from ceiling to floor setup, this is 131 inches. And yung 131 inches na yon is magpo-fall under 11 feet. So kung gusto nyo magpa-customize, check out nyo yung 11 feet and then i-note lang natin na 131 inches yung gusto nyong magawa na size. So ang perfect fit na set para dito sa setup natin or yung measurement natin, first is yung 8-in-1 set ng S-fold ang i-check out dahil gusto natin na mas compact yung curtain. And then second, ang size na pipiliin is 11 feet para ma-customize doon sa size na 131. Kaya kung gusto mo rin ng ganitong setup, i-check out mo na yun yung nasa link sa ibaba. And if confused ka pa rin for sizing, pwede ka mag-comment dyan ng dimension ng window mo para matulungan ka natin.